Hey folks, this is Keith down Redwood Groves, and today we're going to try logging out this pine log. This tree fell down in the last storm. I guess it was Zeta came through here. She's about 70 feet long, and so we're going to just try chaining this thing out. But we're going to try training a one. We'll see how that works. Stick with me. So like I said, this pine tree is about 70 feet long now. I cut off the top of it. We cut out the branches and delimbed it. I got one chain on here. I do it the old-fashioned way. I don't have one of those fancy dancy winch type setups. I probably should get one, but you can still do it this way. It just takes a little longer, little slower. I'm going to try pulling this all out at once, like I said, and let's hook it up and see how it works. Well, clearly that ain't gonna work like this, so let's do some modifications. Okay, so I took the chainsaw. There was one branch right there that was hanging on. That really wasn't causing any grief. There was a couple small branches, cut-offs. They didn't look like they were causing any more grief. Maybe they were broken when I actually pulled it, because I have pulled it about 1.5 feet, or yanked it, I guess is a better word. So what I've come down here now is I've got a little closer pull. I was trying to stay up higher, stay up more closer into the path, if you will, just keep it up versus trying to pull this tree uphill. I'd rather go down, but going down is not easier on this job, so we have to go up. So I've choked up on the chain, wrapped around to get the small one chain on here. This should be able to allow me to lift this log up maybe a little bit, take some of the weight off the front of the nose, dragging into that dirt that's right there. Maybe that'll help take some of that weight load so that we can pull this thing up. So let's see how it works. Wish you luck. Well, we're getting further, but it's also getting unsafe. I want to get back up where it's on flat land and try to get a little bit easier. This one right now, I'm just going uphill too hard, and it just isn't working good for us. I don't want to be unsafe. Alright, so I got the tractor up here on more of a flat land. I was able to get the log up a little higher. So now, let's see if I can pull this thing all the way up without beating the heck out of this tractor. Well, we got it up close enough. I'm going to cut it in pieces and make sure I get that bottom 16 footer out of there, and I can pull that up. So we'll cut that, and then we can get everything else and cut it, and we should be done with this. Stay tuned. Okay, I thought I'd show you how you really should pull these logs out. One at a time, not try to pull the whole stinking tree. I know I shouldn't do it that way, but I always try to overcompensate, or try to do something over. And anyway, we ended up going back to what you should do in the beginning. So take it small, one log at a time, and it should come up fairly easy. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. One at a time, nice and simple, done. All you gotta do is go get the other one. Alright, the last log, the butt log. I had to use 3 chains. Got a link right there, and a link right here. I had to get out my old chain, but still works. Still fine. So I got 3 chains. We'll pull it up. When you're doing something like this, whoa, I just fell in an old tree stump hole. When you're doing something like this, you got to pull it up, take out the chains, or pull it back till you get down to 2 chains to 1 chain, depending on how long you want to go back. We'll see how far I want to go in one move, how it's pulling, and we'll go from there. But let's give this a pull. Looks like it's coming up pretty good. I guess I'm going to do it all in one pull, fairly straight. There you go, my friends. Pulled out the logs. So, if you like, want to see more, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, pass it on to your friends. I'd really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.